How to turn off WhatsApp notification. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing the ways to turn on WhatsApp notification. So for this video, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Also make sure that your application is completely up to date. So in order to enable or turn on notification on WhatsApp, first of all, go ahead and long press on your WhatsApp application. You can also do this procedure from the App Store. You can also do this procedure from the device's settings, but this is your shortcut, so you can just go ahead and tap the app info icon. While you're on this page, you'll be able to see notification right on top, and to enable it, all you have to do is just toggle the button. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the notification button. And you can also minimize all of these information, such you can also make changes with your settings, such as you can just turn off the group notification or message notification whatsoever. You can change the system. So in this way you can turn on WhatsApp notification. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.